Hello everyone. So in this video, I want to show you job opportunities that have visa sponsorship. So if you want to migrate abroad for work, then you really need to watch this video because I'll be showing you those jobs you can apply for in different industries, different occupations, different roles. You can apply for them. They have visa sponsorship. Some of them even have relocation package, like they pay for your flight ticket, they pay for your accommodation, and everything that has to do with your relocation. All right. So they are really amazing jobs. Some of them you don't even need a degree. Some you don't need like much work experience. So there's something for everyone in this video. So do watch the video to the end so you can see the opportunities I'll be sharing here. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe if you want to be seeing more videos like this. On this channel, I share information that's going to help you in your relocation journey, whether you want to move abroad for work or for study, or you just want to go live in a different country. I have information that is going to help you with this. So do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thanks for the support. I truly appreciate you. And if you want to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email so we can get to talk about your own personal needs. All right, so let's get straight into the video. The jobs I have for you in this video, they are in different occupations and they all are hiring foreign workers, right? So this one here is for an administrative assistant. It's, stated here LMIA, administrative assistant. The job description for this is you answer and direct phone calls, organize and schedule appointments, plan meetings and take detailed minutes, write and distribute emails, correspondence memos, letters, faxes, and forms, assist in the preparation of regularly scheduled reports, develop and plan a filing system. A minimum of 1 year experience is required for this job. And it's stated here that for successful candidates among foreign workers, LMIA support is available. So that's to show you that they are hiring foreign workers for this position, right? And the salary is $18 to $21 per hour. And you're going to be required to work 8-hour shifts. All right. So that's a very good one. And for education, right? Only secondary school, right, is required for this particular one. And experience, they're looking for 1 year as a front desk and 1 year as an administrative assistant. All right. And this is going to be a hybrid remote work. So you're going to be working from the office and from home. You're going to work remotely and in the office. So this is administrative assistant and LMIA is available. So someone may be wondering, what is the meaning of LMIA? So for Canada, they do have the labor. LMIA basically is labor market impact assessment. And that is a document that an employer in Canada may need to get before they can hire a foreign worker. So a positive LMIA will show that there is a need for a foreign worker to fill the job. It will also show that no Canadian worker or permanent resident is available to do that job, right? So that happens in Canada. Before they can hire someone from overseas, they need to prove that there is no Canadian citizen or permanent resident that can take up that job before they can go ahead to hire from overseas. So that's why it's a bit complicated in Canada. So you need that LMIA. It's akin to the COS, the certificate of sponsorship that employers get in the UK to hire from overseas. So for Canada, theirs is the LMIA, right? So without the LMIA, you can't get a work permit because one of the documents needed for a work permit application is the LMIA. Same way you need the COS to apply for a skilled worker visa in the UK. All right, so that's just to explain it for those that are new to this and don't quite understand that bit. All right, so next up, we have a cashier and customer service. So they're looking for a reliable, hardworking teammate to join the co-op family in Burns Lake. So the duties here are serving customer, maintaining a clean environment at work, merchandising, be able to receive and put away vendors' deliveries, willing to help with papers, PR, application, and LMIA, right? So they're willing to do all of that. So LMIA is available for this job. So you can go ahead and apply for it. Okay. All right, so that's another LMIA job available. Let's see another one here. This is for a customer service manager. And you can see already that LMIA is mentioned here. So now there are some jobs in Canada where they have LMIA, right? But they need candidates that are already in Canada, right? So the ones in this video are those that are open to foreign workers only. I've done a video where I mixed it up, some for those in Canada and for those some for people outside. So at least you have an idea of the different, words used in such job ads. So the ones in this video are for people that are foreign workers. So you can see it here for successful candidates among foreign workers. So that's to show you that it's open to foreign workers. LMIA support is available. So that's just to show you that this particular one is open to foreign workers. So you come across some that have LMIA, but they'll say you need to be in Canada. They actually stated there. All right, so the skills requirements, at least 1 year of experience, proficiency in English, working knowledge of customer service software, databases, and tools, right? And for salary, it's $17 to $22 per hour. French is not required. Yeah, okay. So that's for customer service manager. Now let's look at another one real quick. LMIA bookkeeper. So I'm just going to show you like the most important details in every of this job, and this is it. For successful candidates among foreign workers, LMIA support is available. And the salary here is $22 to $23 per hour, 8 hour shift, Monday to Friday. All right, so another one, guest service agent, LMIA available for right candidates. All right, subsidized staff housing is available. So this is a good one. You can apply for this if guest services is your thing. Okay, so experience, yeah. All right. Next up here is for a marketing specialist. LMIA is here already. So that's to show it's available. So they said for successful candidates among foreign workers, LMIA support is available. Next up, financial analyst, same thing, available for foreign workers. LMIA is available for foreign workers. So what are they looking for here? 1 year experience at least. A professional level of English is required. Bachelor's degree, you need a bachelor's degree for this particular one. And next up here, let's look at this business development officer, and LMIA is available as well for foreign workers. Okay, and the requirements for this is a bachelor's degree in business management or administration, finance, accounting, marketing, or related field, proven experience working as a business development officer or similar role. For successful candidates among foreign workers, LMIA support is available, obviously. And then the salary here is $36 to $37 per hour. And they also have spring bonus and all. All right, so if you want to work with this establishment as a business development officer, then you can apply for this. All the links in this video are going to be in the description box below. So if you're interested in any of the roles here, then do head to the description box below this video to see the links so you can go and apply. I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up. That is a like, so others that need this kind of information will get to see the video, all right? And also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.